Forget protein powder. What I'm about to tell you is this: with just one natural food, you can actually reverse muscle loss, even at the age of 65. Sounds unbelievable, right? But think about it. You are still eating well, still drinking milk, still exercising. And yet, your strength keeps fading. Your knees ache when you climb stairs. Your hands and legs feel shaky, and your balance becomes less stable. That is not because of age. It happens because your body is missing one crucial nutrient, something most modern meals completely overlook. And here's the best part. You do not need any supplements. You do not need any expensive industrial powders. You just need one simple, everyday food that costs less than $2, yet can start reversing muscle loss in as little as 30 minutes. At 60 or even 70 years old, you can still feel strong, steady, and full of energy. Stay until the end of this video, because I am about to reveal that superfood. Have you ever wondered why so many people drink protein shakes every day, yet their bodies keep getting weaker? They believe that adding protein alone will keep their muscles, but the truth is not that simple. Most protein powders on the market are processed at very high temperatures. During that process, many natural nutrients are lost, including enzymes, vitamins, minerals, and compounds that support digestion. What remains is pure protein, fast to absorb, but not effectively used by the body. That is why many people start feeling bloated, overheated, or tired after a while. Our bodies were not made to digest industrial powders. They were designed to process real food, where nutrients work together in perfect harmony. Scientists call this phenomenon food synergy. It means that when nutrients from natural foods interact, their combined effect is far greater than what each could do on its own. Imagine it this way. Protein powder is like a single instrument playing one note, while real food is a full orchestra performing in perfect harmony. When you eat real food, digestion happens more gently and gradually, giving your body the time it needs to build strong, lasting muscles. And now let's talk about today's star, ricotta cheese. Ricotta is not your regular cheese. It is made from the leftover whey after the main cheese is separated, and that whey contains one of the purest, most easily absorbed forms of protein. A small cup of ricotta provides almost 3 grams of leucine, more than most natural foods. And leucine is the switch that turns on your body's muscle rebuilding mode. When you have enough leucine, your body gets the signal. It is time to rebuild muscle. Weak muscle cells begin to be replaced, and the process of muscle loss slows down. Ricotta also contains albumin, an easily absorbed protein that helps your body use dietary protein more efficiently. On top of that, the calcium lactate in ricotta improves muscle contraction and helps maintain strength. What is fascinating is that within just 30 minutes of eating ricotta, your body starts activating anti-muscle loss signals. In other words, you are naturally reversing muscle decline simply by eating a very ordinary food. Many people in their 60s have started adding ricotta to their daily meals. After just 2 weeks, they reported being able to stand up more easily, move more freely, and even sleep more deeply. That is because their bodies finally have the raw materials they need to repair themselves. Ricotta is not a miracle drug. It is simply real, natural food, gentle on your digestion, easy on your liver and kidneys, and perfectly in tune with what your body was designed to thrive on. Once you have that solid foundation from ricotta, the next step is to combine it with other natural foods that can multiply its muscle rebuilding effect. In the next part, we will explore 7 companion foods that work beautifully with ricotta, all affordable, easy to find, and proven to help your body stay strong, flexible, and energetic even after 60. Ricotta is the main foundation, but for your body to truly rebuild and strengthen muscle effectively, you need supporting foods, those friends that help ricotta unleash its full potential. And the best thing is, all of them are familiar, inexpensive, and easy to find. Let's discover the 7 foods that science has shown to protect and rebuild muscle alongside ricotta. 1. Watermelon. Energy for your blood vessels and muscles. Watermelon is not just refreshing and delicious. It also contains citrulline, a special amino acid that helps widen blood vessels and improve circulation to every muscle fiber. That means your muscles receive more oxygen and nutrients, allowing them to recover faster after activity. One study found that older adults who drank watermelon juice or ate 2 slices of watermelon per day experienced up to 40% less muscle soreness after exercise. You can enjoy watermelon in the afternoon or after a walk. It is both cooling and a natural medicine for your muscles. 2. Canned salmon, omega-3 seconds that make muscles more responsive to protein. Salmon, especially canned salmon, is convenient and packed with omega-3 fatty acids, the kind of healthy fat that makes muscle cells respond better to leucine and protein. That means when you eat ricotta with salmon, your body uses protein more efficiently, and muscle synthesis happens much more effectively. Salmon also provides vitamin D and vitamin B12, which help maintain stable energy levels and reduce fatigue. A small meal of ricotta and salmon can completely change how your body absorbs nutrients throughout the day. Number 3. Whole eggs, the gold standard food for muscle building. Many people eat only egg whites because they worry that yolks contain too much cholesterol. But the truth is, when you throw away the yolk, you lose nearly half of your body's ability to build muscle. Scientists compared 2 groups of people who trained regularly. One group ate only egg whites. The other group ate whole eggs. The result? The group that ate whole eggs built muscle 40% more effectively. That is because the yolk contains enzymes and healthy fats that help the body fully utilize protein. So, if you can, eat 1 or 2 whole eggs each morning. Simple, but incredibly effective. 4. Kefir, the secret to feeding your muscles all night long. Kefir is a fermented drinkable yogurt that contains casein, a slow-digesting protein. When you drink a small glass of kefir before bed, your body receives a steady stream of nutrients for 6 to 8 hours throughout the night, the exact period when muscle loss tends to happen most easily. On top of that, kefir provides probiotics that strengthen your gut, helping you absorb protein even better the next day. That is why many experts call kefir the night watchman of your muscles. 5. Black beans, helping your body absorb protein better at your next meal. This may sound surprising, but when you eat black beans, their benefits do not stop with that meal, they actually extend to the next one. This phenomenon is called the second meal effect. Black beans contain soluble fiber and resistant starch, which help regulate blood sugar levels and improve protein absorption later on. Simply put, eat black beans today, and your body will absorb protein more efficiently tomorrow. Adding a small bowl of black beans to your salad or lunch is a simple habit that pays off big for long-term health. 6. Beets, boosting muscle performance by up to 16%. Beets are rich in natural nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, a compound that increases blood flow and enhances muscle performance. Studies have shown that drinking beet juice or eating roasted beets can increase endurance by as much as 16%, especially in people over 50 years old. If you often feel tired climbing stairs or during light workouts, try adding 1 or 2 slices of roasted beet to your dinner. It is a completely natural way to help your body perform better, no pills required. 7. Sardines and olive oil, the perfect trio for muscle strength. Tiny as they are, sardines are natural energy capsules. They combine 3 powerful nutrients, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and CoQ10, a trio that reduces inflammation, protects muscle cells, and supports your heart's energy production. Even better, sardines packed in olive oil offer extra benefits, since olive oil helps fight oxidation and boosts vitamin D absorption. A simple dinner with sardines, roasted beets, and leafy greens is a golden combo for strong muscles and a resilient heart. Now you know ricotta is the heart of muscle regeneration, and these 7 foods are its loyal companions, each with its own special role. Watermelon keeps your blood flowing. Salmon makes protein work harder. Eggs provide enzymes and healthy fats. Kefir feeds your muscles while you sleep. Black beans enhance absorption. Beets boost performance. And sardines protect your energy and your heart. When you combine them in your daily meals, your body will absorb protein more effectively, slow down muscle loss, and naturally restore strength without any expensive powders or supplements. Now that you know ricotta is the heart of muscle recovery, and these 7 foods are its perfect partners, the next question is, how can you combine all of them into one simple, sustainable, and affordable daily plan? Do not worry, I have prepared a sample meal plan just for you. It is not a restrictive diet, but rather a natural, balanced way of eating that nourishes your muscles, supports digestion, and boosts your energy for life. Morning. Start your day with natural strength. When you wake up, your body needs real energy, not just sugar or coffee, but a steady and lasting source of protein. You can start with 2 whole eggs, providing complete amino acids and healthy fats. A plate of steamed vegetables like broccoli, carrots, or spinach for extra fiber and minerals. A spoonful of olive oil drizzled over your eggs or veggies to help your body absorb vitamins A, D, E, and K more efficiently. A breakfast like this keeps your blood sugar stable, your mind alert, and your muscles supplied with the fuel they need to stay strong all day. Mid-morning, a light meal that kickstarts muscle renewal. By mid-morning, when your body begins to need more energy, it is the perfect time for ricotta. All you need is half a cup of ricotta cheese and a handful of small berries like strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries. This combination is naturally sweet and refreshing, packed with leucine, calcium, and antioxidants. Within 30 minutes, ricotta begins to activate your body's muscle rebuilding signals, and your strength is quietly being restored from within. Lunch, the meal for lasting endurance. Lunchtime is when your body needs the most energy, and it is also the perfect time for a plant-based protein meal. Try a black bean salad with olive oil. 1 cup of cooked black beans, plus leafy greens, tomatoes, and onions. Drizzle a little olive oil and a squeeze of fresh lemon on top. Black beans help regulate blood sugar, and thanks to the second meal effect, they allow your body to absorb protein more effectively throughout the afternoon and evening. A salad like this feels light, keeps you full for longer, and does not cause that sleepy feeling after eating. Afternoon. A light snack to restore your energy. Instead of pastries or coffee, choose a slice of fresh watermelon. Watermelon contains citrulline, which helps improve blood circulation, reduce muscle soreness, and cool the body down. It is like a refreshing sip of water for your muscles, especially after a walk, light exercise, or household chores. Just 1 slice of watermelon a day can help your blood flow better and improve nutrient absorption. Evening. The meal for recovery and rejuvenation. Evening time is when your body needs to recover from the entire day's activity. It is the perfect opportunity to combine foods that rebuild both muscle and energy. Dinner suggestion: grilled salmon or sardines in olive oil, roasted or lightly boiled beets, and a small serving of leafy greens or steamed sweet potatoes. This meal is a powerful combination of omega-3 fatty acids, nitrates, and vitamin D, supporting endurance, protecting the heart, and helping muscles recover while you rest. Before bed. A night's sleep that nourishes your body. About 30 minutes before bedtime, drink a small glass of kefir, a naturally fermented yogurt drink. Kefir contains casein, a slow-digesting protein that nourishes your muscles continuously for 6 to 8 hours through the night, the time when your body is most prone to losing muscle. The probiotics in kefir also help reduce mild inflammation, support digestion, and improve deep sleep. You can add a bit of pure honey or a pinch of cinnamon to enhance the flavor and make it easier to relax before sleep. Practical summary: just 6 small, simple meals like these are enough to give your body all the essential nutrients it needs to fight muscle loss, rebuild strength, and maintain vibrant energy. No protein powders. No supplements. Just natural foods eaten at the right time, in the right way, every day. When you give your body what nature has already prepared, it knows how to heal itself, recover, and become strong again at any age. You see, to stay strong and energetic after 60, we do not need laboratories, we do not need expensive protein powders, and we certainly do not need complicated supplements. What we truly need is to return to real, natural food. Simple, familiar meals that hold a power modern science is only beginning to understand. Remember the 7 muscle foods for life after 60. Ricotta, watermelon, salmon, eggs, kefir, black beans, beets, and sardines. These are more than just foods. They are the fuel for vitality, the key to restoring every cell, every muscle fiber, and every heartbeat. And the best part? You can start right now. You do not need to change your entire diet. Just pick one item and add it to your meals today. It could be a spoonful of ricotta in the morning, a slice of watermelon after a walk, or a warm glass of kefir before bedtime. Those small changes repeated daily will build a body that is stronger, more flexible, and full of life. Age is not a limit. It is just a number. And your body can still regenerate, recover, and grow stronger if you know how to nourish it the right way. If you found this video helpful, share it so that more people over 60 can learn that they, too, can feel younger, stronger, and more confident every single day. And remember, every meal is an opportunity to feed your strength and your joy for life. Start today, right in your own kitchen.